he renamed Khilna to Vishalgarh. Shivaji Maharaj had posed a big challenge before the Adil Shahi. Therefore, the Adil Shah sent Siddhi Jauhar, the Sardar of Kurnool region, against Shivaji Maharaj in 1660 CE. The Adil Shah gave Siddhi the title Salabat Khan. With Siddhi Jauhar, Rustam-e-Jaman, Baji Ghorpade and Fazl Khan were also together. Shivaji Maharaj took shelter in the Panhala fort. Siddhi's soldiers laid siege to the fort for about 5 months. Shivaji Maharaj found himself trapped inside the fort. Netoji Palkar tried to attack Siddhi's army from outside, but he could not succeed as his forces were meager. Siddhi showed no signs of relenting, so Shivaji Maharaj opened talks with him. This led to slackness in the siege around Panhalgarh. Shivaji Maharaj took advantage of this situation. Shivaji Maharaj's look-alike, Shiva Kashid, sat in the palkin meant for Shivaji Maharaj and was captured by Siddhi's army. Shiva Kashid sacrificed himself on this occasion for Swaraj. In the meanwhile, Shivaji Maharaj left the fort using another difficult route. Siddhi came to know that Shivaji Maharaj had escaped the siege and proceeded to Vishalgarh. So, his army pursued Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of stopping Siddhi's army at the foot of Vishalgarh to Baji Prabhu Deshpande. He was an excellent army chief. Baji Prabhu Deshpande checked Siddhi's army at the God Pass near Gajapur. Baji Prabhu fought bravely with greatest valor and died a hero's death in this battle. Because Baji Prabhu's army held Siddhi's army at bay, Shivaji Maharaj could proceed to Vishalgarh. While going to Vishalgarh, Shivaji Maharaj also crushed Dalvi of Palwin and Surve of Shigarpur. These are Adil Shahi Sardars. After crushing them, Maharaj reached Vishalgarh safely. Mughal Sardars and Adil Shahi both were becoming extreme problem for Swaraj, and Maharaj realized that to fight both of them together at the same time would not be prudent. So, after reaching Vishalgarh safely, he entered into a treaty with the Adil Shah and returned the fort of Panhala to Adil Shah. This was the expedition of Siddhi Jauhar.